Healthy hacks for busy people. The diet of common sense is a common sense approach for active people to stay healthy, improve energy and mental power. It's a nutrition of entrepreneurs, busy professionals, and other active people who lack time but value their health and well-being. Here's a place where nutritional research meets common sense. It brings you simple and actionable information to help you make the best decisions for your health and well-being, despite your limited time. We'll talk about healthy hacks for busy people. If you have a hectic life and are always on the go, you may find it hard to go shopping or prepare your meals, do you? Sometimes our busy lives become excuses to skip meals or eat food with poor nutritional value. If I had known these tips and tricks several years ago, I would have made faster and more consistent progress with my healthy choices, even from the beginning. You don't need to spend time figuring out how to optimize some processes and make your own mistakes at the cost of your busy schedule. The value of this section is that it puts you on the fast lane to better health and well-being. Right from day one, it gives you shortcuts and hacks to better food choices. If you are a busy professional, keep in mind some simple hacks that will help you win the day with healthy choices and save time. Here's to making our lives healthier and easier. So here are some shortcuts that will accelerate your results to a better, healthier you. Number 1. Decide to invest in your health and prioritize healthy habits, because it all starts with a decision to take your health and well-being to the next level. You should make sure that your daily habits contribute to your overall health, dreams, and goals. Everything is a choice. Put health high on your priority list and view it as a long-term investment. Align the rest of your activities with this one. Number 2. Simple is always better. The diet of common sense consists of 5 key principles of the 5 stars model that you can easily implement in the long term. Choose meal recipes that are fast and easy to prepare, 30 minutes. Check the recipes booklet from the Diet of Common Sense course. Follow the link in the podcast description below. If you lack time, you can choose 3 healthy breakfast ideas that appeal to you the most and stick to them. It's better to eat the same healthy breakfast several days in a row than skip breakfast or eat food with poor nutritional value. Number 3. There are short-term and long-term results. Prepare for both. Remember that you need at least 21 days to form a new habit and more time to make it sustainable. Give yourself 3-6 months to adjust, but do your best to be as close as possible to the 5 stars principle model. You can even experience positive benefits after 1 year if you used to eat only processed foods your whole life. So get your expectations in check and stay committed. Number 4. Prepare and cook your meals in advance. Make a weekly planning assessing your needs for the upcoming week. Do you have time to go shopping or to cook? Do you need to have home or office delivery? Portion meals and snacks into separate containers. Make sure you have superfoods for your smoothies to get more nutrients with easy-to-make recipes. The keyword here is planning. Make sure you plan your meals in advance. Number 5. Smart shopping. Write down your shopping list to structure your purchases. Select healthy recipes so you can narrow down your food choices. Write down your ingredients on your shopping list. This way, you'll also keep your budget in check and avoid buying expensive, unhealthy, or unnecessary foods. To prevent impulse buying, do not go shopping when you're hungry. Eat something before you go shopping to avoid unnecessary cravings. Number 6. Food delivery to your home or office. Get home or office delivery. Make healthy eating easier by having your meals delivered to your door, whether you choose to have your cooked food or portion ingredients delivered to your home or office. Make sure you don't skip meals. If you lack time or you value time and comfort over spending additional money, search for companies that will deliver your portion ingredients or cooked meals at home or your office. Most delivery options include recipes from already portioned ingredients that take less than 30 minutes to cook at home. Number 7. Choose superfoods, or how to achieve more with less. Not all foods were created equal. Superfoods are power foods which are nutritionally dense, have strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, and promote a good health and well-being. Strong essences are kept in small bottles. You can have more nutrients with less food. This is the magic of superfoods. As a busy person, you want to have more energy and focus, and in the end, to have more done. This is why it is important to include them in your meals, especially for breakfast, to get a quick energy boost. Superfoods include berries, turmeric, avocado, green tea, broccoli, garlic, ginger, some types of Chinese mushrooms, shiitake, maitake, reishi, sprouts, seeds like hemp seeds, flax seeds, or chia seeds, to name a few superfoods. Number 8. When you are on the go, make sure you have your healthy snacks handy, in your bag, in your car, or in your gym bag. As a busy professional, your time is your most valuable asset after your health. You want to make healthy meal choices even when you're not at home. Keep snacks and fruit handy. One of the principles of the diet of common sense says to have 5 balanced meals daily, 3 main meals and 2 healthy snacks. Pick low glycemic index foods that release energy slowly into the bloodstream, such as fruits and nuts. You can buy them bulk and portion them out. Number 9. Cooking. Whether you prepare your ingredients or choose to have them delivered, choose easy to cook recipes, a maximum of 30 minutes. The majority of healthy recipes are easy to cook because they require low processing and cooking, so you may also save time while eating healthy. Imagine how much time it takes to cook meat with a fancy dressing, for example. Unless you like it very much, it's a sure way to lose motivation. You can prepare some recipes 2-3 days in advance, such as a brown rice or quinoa pot, steamed vegetables that can be a side dish for a salad, for example, or chia pudding for breakfast. When cooking, make it easy and fun. If you like cooking, experimenting with foods, get creative and flexible with ingredients. Add color and flavor to your recipes. Whether you get the pigment from fruits like berries or from 100% natural food dye, make a superfoods fiesta. There are many colorful, mouth-watering smoothie recipes on social networks, or some easy ones I feature on my blog or in my course booklet. Get creative and stay healthy. Number 10. If you have an active lifestyle and also practice some kind of sport, you will want to eat more proteins. Some quality vegetable proteins found in superfoods include nuts, broccoli, lentils, peas, asparagus, artichokes, avocado, beans, and mushrooms. One constant debate around proteins is animal or vegetable proteins. Which ones are better? Plant-based foods such as mushrooms, lentils, hemp seeds, pelts, broccoli, beans, spirulina, chia seeds, tofu, sprouts are good sources of vegetable proteins. Some nutrition experts even consider them of better quality than animal protein. Bonus tip: drink more water. At least 2-3 liters of water per day. Your body is about 70% water, So you need water to stay hydrated, flush away the toxins which promote diseases, improve focus, prevent skin disorders and wrinkles, and many other side benefits. How to make sure you stay hydrated? The easiest way is to enhance your water with natural flavoring, such as fruits. Hello, creative hydration. Hydrate creatively with smart water bottles. Check my blog for some real cool findings. So, these are a few shortcuts and hacks to a healthy lifestyle. They will put you on the fast lane to a healthier, better you. Start to apply them immediately to experience the positive benefits. In the end, just a quick reminder of the Diet of Common Sense course, an overview of nutrition for busy people, entrepreneurs, and active individuals who lack time but value their health and well-being. You'll focus on the fundamentals that will give you, busy people, the shortcuts to a healthier you. Get the course by following the link in the podcast description below. That's all for this episode. Thank you for listening and have a wonderful week, active people. And coffee lovers, don't forget to drink your coffee with me in the morning by reading my latest updates on my blog and social networks. Until next time, take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live in.